Yeah. Hello guys, what's up? Oh yeah.
Anyways, we have CSC Pink in the chat. Say
Yeah.
what's up.
And I'm also recording, so you guys have to like and subscribe, cause today I have with here CSC Hunter VR.
You got the subscribe or I will kill you.
I'll link his channel in the description. You definitely should go subscribe.
Subscribe!
Yeah, subscribe.
And me.
Because I also make other videos for Gorilla Tag and Skelly, and soon I'll make some for Scary Baboon.
I make videos for Scary Baboon. Anyways, what do you
And in the last video, I showed you how to get these stuff. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, or I will kill your family. Just a joke,
like and
brother.
subscribe or I will kill you.
Exactly.
And there will be nothing to subscribe for. By the way, this is a joke. Please don't take it seriously. Anyways,
let's just get some back. Let's go down to mines. Can you grab me a backpack?
A big backpack?
Yeah, I can't buy one.
Me neither.
I only have the little Uwu girl backpack.
What the?
Let me just Let me just grab a flashlight for me.
I don't want to go to red light, green light. I want to go in there. I want to ding dong ditch the monster. My Indian looking ass self wants to ding dong ditch the monster.
Do you like my pickaxe?
What?
My friend gave it. I found a free pickaxe. If you know anything about these glow sticks, do not take them off because they will float. Yeah,
basically
fly.
The same thing. Alright, let me check my percentage and I'll decide when I'm ending the video. I'll end the video when my percentage hits 25.
Yeah.
Right now it's at 28.
Make sure to like and subscribe, cause I'll link his description, his channel description, and
Hey, make sure to carry these. Make sure to carry these.
I can't. I have the light.
Oh. Why can't you just drop your pick? Oh.
How are we gonna mine? And how we
I can hold it so it doesn't despawn. Wait, they removed the thingy where you can go straight forward. Wait, where's the lava at? They removed it. Ah!
Did I just hit you?
Yeah.
Yeah, where? You keep hitting me. The lava's over here.
Thank God, I thought they removed it.
Let's go down here. Don't mind me, I'm just...
Should I have brought in a backpack?
Yes. I got it.
Bro!
But...
Stop hitting me!
You're hitting me!
Why don't I mean to?
You just did it on purpose. He'll link my channel in the description.
Oh! I think that's the spider.
Yeah, no. Don't touch that. Don't touch that thing. Oh my God, it's coming.
What?
I immediately died. You guys, that wasn't supposed to happen. If that kid didn't keep stealing. Oh my God.
Please help me, I don't like it here.
Oh no.
I found the light.
Take it. I got you a backpack. Okay. I got you a backpack. I wasted my dang money just to get him. Supplies. Really? Yo, dude, I'm coming. Hunter? You might be dead. Hunter! Oh, I think I lost him. Going in. Yes. Watch me struggle trying to get this dang light out. Where did this dang light go?
Go.
Okay. So guys, I'm not gonna post this. So bye guys.